Citrus Aviation here with yet another video, and today we have a massive unboxing. This will be a three-part unboxing where I have 3 boxes. This is the first one, and then you'll see 2 more boxes. They're going to be coming about 2 days from now from the time I'm recording this, but obviously you'll just see this in one video. So we're going to start here. Now, I have some interesting things that I got. Now, you'll usually see most unboxing videos on YouTube by aviation enthusiasts, or maybe that's some new camera gear or a model aircraft they got. But I decided to get some interesting things. So I went out to some airline stores and bought some interesting items, and you'll get to see them. I've always wanted some airline merch, and so that's basically what I got, and you're going to get to see that in today's video. Alright, let's see if we can just tear this. Yeah, alright, we can force it open. Alright, there we go. Alright, I see an invoice. I'll be taking that out. Yes. Alrighty. Aha, there it is. Our 2 items did arrive. Alright, so we have 2 items here. And you can see the very first one here. So this order came from the Southwest Airlines store. And I got 2 items. The very first one here is this glass. It's a, large glass for holding hot and cold drinks. It helps to keep them hot and cold. So as you can see, this one is a very special one because it has the Southwest Airlines liveries on them. Basically most of the main ones. So it has the main liveries and all of the state board liveries on them. So this one looks very, very nice. I really like this one. So that's that. You can see the top there. You just flip it open. Yep. Alright, this one looks pretty good. Alright, and then we also got, in this first part of the unboxing, this super awesome Southwest Liveries Toy t-shirt. So this is the front, coast to coast, livery toy, Southwest. And then on the back, this is the best part right here. You got all the liveries. You got the classic livery. And then they go by when these liveries first came out. There is Lone Star 1, Arizona 1, California 1. Then we have Triple Crown 1, Nevada 1, and New Mexico 1. The Spirit livery, which is the Canyon Blue livery. We have Maryland 1, Illinois 1, Florida 1, Colorado 1, Heart livery, Missouri 1, and then we have Tennessee 1 and Louisiana 1. So this is a super awesome t-shirt. Been looking to get one of these ever since I saw New Mexico Aviation on Instagram got this, and I was like, oh, I gotta get one. I've always been wanting some airline merch, and so I finally got some. So that is the end of the first part of this unboxing. Super happy to get this. This nice flask here to be able to hold drinks and keep them cold for a long time. I'll give you a nice close-up of this too. You can see it has the same liveries on them as well. And then of course it has the Southwest blue, yellow, and red color band. Yeah, that looks very nice. Alright, so it is now a couple days later, and my package from Alaska Airlines has arrived. So we're gonna open up right here. This is a UPS shipment, and as some of you may know, UPS is not my favorite shipping company out there in the world. But this model should arrive. Well, not model. That is coming in a separate unboxing. Actually, today there were 3 packages that came today. 2 from Panafox Toys and this one from Alaska. And so this one will actually be coming up after the model unboxing comes out. And yep, there it is. I'm going to just take out the... Alright, and there it is. This is the Alaska Airlines hat. It looks very nice. So, yeah. Oh, my battery's low. Alrighty, so I've actually had to switch cameras now because the video camera ran out of battery, and the other battery that I have for it is dry. So, here we go. The Alaska Airlines hat is quite nice. It's very nice designs. You can see the Eskimo there, the Alaska Airlines logo. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. I got some merch. I'll be wearing it when I go to airport and such. So, yeah, really glad that I could get it. The Southwest Airlines watch in particular is really cool, but I really liked this Alaska Airlines hat, so I picked it up too. The So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and God bless you.